Hello from Illinois. So this week it has gotten pretty cold, which I'm glad of because I hate the heat. But on the flip side, I've got to start preparing for being in a colder environment. So while Alex is at his grandmother's and his dad's, I get to test out what we can handle in the RV in terms of the cold. So last night and tonight also, I'm staying in an area where I don't have access to electricity. We're just like boondocking and seeing what happens. I do technically have a propane heater that is part of the RV. I'm not using that just yet. I tested it the other day. It seems to work, but I need to do a full test to make sure that it, just to figure out how much propane it uses all night long and how much of a battery drain it is. So do I need electricity all the time, or can I go without electricity and still be warm? So I'm testing that a little bit later tonight. And last night I tested it to see how much we can handle in terms of just being in the cold. It got to the low 30s, mid 30s last night. I found myself with my navy sweats on and my feet had regular socks on, so it still got cold. I had 3 blankets. With the 3 blankets, I'm definitely warm. I was totally fine. But some of the temperatures I'm expecting in the future are going to be colder, like 20s, possibly even teens. So I kind of want to make sure I've got some more to handle that. And then of course, I got to make sure Alex, who is always just a little bit colder than myself, I have to make sure he's okay too. So to that end, we have purchased some merino wool socks for myself and for Alex, and I've purchased a wool blanket from Amazon. It'll get here in a couple days. We'll test that out. But yeah. So, quick question. Do you think that I should chase the warm for the next few months, where we're just going wherever it's warm? Because at the end of the day, honestly, there's just so much to see. I don't need to necessarily search for places to see. Pretty much everywhere you go has something awesome to do. Or keep up with my plan, because I really do want to see the Grand Canyon with Alex, and then just deal with the cold and figure that out. Let me know. In this video though, you're going to see the summer. We were from July 3rd till about the 13th or 14th. We were at Gardiner, Montana, which is very close to Yellowstone. So it's at the lowest part of Montana, right next to the Yellowstone, which is in Wyoming, northern entrance. And we had a blast. Highly recommend. If you only have one kind of national park that you want to go to so far, I'm gonna go with Yellowstone because it has just, it's huge. It's got such a variety of things to do and to see that I think everyone will pretty much enjoy it. But anyway, here's the video.
right there. It is literally right there. Boom shakalaka. Say what?
Got a good picture? Got an angle?
I'm taking a video, Mom.
Got it?
Don't talk about butts in a video. Bye, Buffalo. Boom, epic!
So that's 3 Mentos.
You ready?
Yeah.
Whoa! What? What if somebody like jumped off into the river? That'd be crazy.
Yeah, pretty crazy.